What's up? Ashley here. So real quick, I'm just gonna kind of talk about it a little bit. Yes, I did change my channel name. Ashley the Homemaker, I just don't feel like fit me and my channel, and when I think of homemaker, I think of perfect and by the book, and that's not me. And I feel like Ashley and the Organized Chaos is on point. So, and luckily I'm not really big, so it's not that big of a deal, but yeah. So I just got my hair cut, and no, I didn't cut anything off of it, but oh, it feels like I got a lot cut off, but I didn't really. I just trimmed it because the full moon is coming. I always cut something off of my hair right before the full moon. I'm sorry, I am just so random. Organized chaos, guys. But yeah, so I'm happy with the name change. Yeah, I don't know, I just felt like it fit better. But I know I put up a cleaning video Monday, I think. And then I put up a day in the life, which has a lot of cleaning in it. Like it's my, everyday cleaning type deal, a real day in the life of a stay-at-home mom. I will link those two videos below. But I really haven't been doing a lot of cleaning videos here lately. I've been doing others. But yeah, so I'm sorry, I'm just kind of like, I just got home, and so I'm a little, oh, I just got my hair cut, and it feels, my thing is I love my hair being played with, and driving home, I was like, I need a nap, but I need to clean, and I need to film me cleaning. So anyway, but yes, if you guys like these cleaning videos and they give you motivation, give this video a thumbs up, because I'm kind of to the point where I'm like, do I keep filming a lot of cleaning videos, or do you guys want to see cleaning and other videos? And I haven't done a Freshen Up Friday and I don't know how long. Oh my, it is almost 3 and my kids are going to be home in here in about an hour. So I'm gonna bust my butt and get this kitchen straightened up and probably clean up the living room. I might straighten up my bedroom a little bit. I haven't made my bed yet, and I probably won't. I might just straighten it up, not put the pillows on it, but yeah. So, real life, guys. Okay, yes. And I put on my Insta story, I don't know if you guys follow me on there, but my Insta story, I did some questions. So while I was getting ready today, I was thinking about video ideas, and I want to do a video about like things that moms don't talk about, or things that you're looking for answers for, and nobody talks about those, or just, you know, topics that nobody talks about, like pushed under the rug type topics as a parent or whatever. But I have a few suggestions from Instagram, and if you guys are interested in seeing that video and have any ideas that I can, you know, have topics, because I like to hear people's opinion on things that aren't really talked about. And it's okay to not know things about as a parent, or how to deal with things as a parent, or, you know, whenever your kid comes home and they're being bullied, how do you do that? Like, I know that's talked about a lot, but like, I deal with it a lot differently than other parents. Like, I can talk about that in the video, you know, how, like, realistic things, like what really happens. Do I really clean my house every day? No. Do I try? Kind of, not really. But I think that would be a very good topic, because I'm free to talk about stuff like that. You know me, I don't hide anything. I'm honest, I'm true, and you get what you get, guys. So, yeah, but today we're gonna be doing a Freshen Up Friday. I'm sorry that this intro is taking 5 minutes, but I just had to get a few things out. So today we're doing a Freshen Up Friday. Today is Thursday in my time, and I have to edit and all that on this video by tomorrow and get it up for you guys so you can have your Freshen Up Friday that I have not filmed in a while. But we're going to clean the kitchen, we're gonna clean the living room, and we're gonna clean the entryway. Just straighten it up like every Freshen Up Friday. We're just getting the house ready for the weekend. So, and we are moving some of our stuff this weekend. So it's gonna be a mess, but let's get into the video, guys. First things first, dishes, like always.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. Fada, fada. My demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell, oh well. It's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stands down, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. Oh, wait, I'm tired of the
Okay, I'm gonna grab my blankets, my nose, every time I film, not joking, Every time I start talking on the camera, my nose starts running, so I have to like edit out me like wiping my nose all the time. But yeah, so I'm gonna grab all my blankets, and I try to wash them every week. But yeah, I'm gonna grab my blankets, throw them in the washing machine. So yeah. Ready for this? There's my lunch that my dogs ate.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up now. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in...
I should mop, but I don't got time for that.
They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up.
Really quick. I vacuumed Wednesday. No, wait. Yesterday was Tuesday. I did a video. I'll link it below. That was my last video. I vacuumed the house. This is today. Get a Shiba, they said. They'd be awesome, they said. They are awesome. And my vacuum cleaner ate a piece of rat that my dogs chewed up. Yeah, pretty sure that's what that is. Okay, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this gave you motivation to clean your house for the weekend or whatever. Clean your house at all. No, I'm not putting up my planner stuff because I'm still working in my planner. I was working in it yesterday. I didn't get finished. I'm trying to get it November all planned out and video ideas. So if you have any video ideas for November, either go to me on Instagram or leave them down in the comments what you guys want to see from me. More cooking videos, more cleaning, more sit down videos, more day in lives. Any ideas, I'll take them. Any crafting ideas, I might actually start doing some Christmas crafting, but I gotta get moved first and be prepared for some moving videos and I might just do day in the lives as we're moving. Seth's getting ready to go back on the back to work, so yes, like his actual work on the road work. So he's getting ready to leave. I mean, he might be leaving next weekend, so I might be moving all by myself again. So all right, we will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.